welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be making steamed fish. So I'm just going to show you how I prepare my steamed fish. It's already clean. I use vinegar and lime juice to wash my fish. So I'm gonna dry the excess water out of my fish. I like to do that even though it's steamed fish, you know it's gonna go. We're still going to steam it down. I like to dry my fish out. I just use a paper towel to do so. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Just wipe up that low water. Good. Make sure your fish clean properly, guys. Very clean. I like to cut my fish, fry, steam, or brown stew, whichever way. I like to just put a cut into it. And to this one, beautiful. And I'm going to do it to this one. Lovely. Alright, so that is done. I'm going to put my fish aside because I'm going to add my seasoning that I'm going to use. So I have my bowl. I'm going to add some seasoning to it. So this is like a teaspoon of garlic powder into the bowl. I have some onion powder. I'm gonna add that as well. Guys, if you don't have onion powder, then we're still gonna add onion in our fish when we're steaming it. So don't worry about that if you don't have it. That's what I like to use. If you want to try my way and don't have it, don't worry. As I said, the onion can do the work too. Now I have some fish seasoning, some Maggi. I'm gonna add a little of that. And the one. Yeah, people, steamed fish and okra, you know them way there. I'm gonna add a little salt. Just a little, not a lot. Because we're seasoning, I have some salt in it. Then they use some black pepper. And that's enough now. Say 1 teaspoon. And we have some Maggi all-purpose. Use one of that. Mix that around. Good. Now my bowl. My fish here. I just season it now. And the season get everywhere. Season the head properly. You know some people love fish head. Put some seasoning in this one. Here, people. So this is snapper fish, yeah? You drop 2 crackers in there and so, no worry, you're gonna see it. Oh, Shanna, prepare her steamed fish. You have lots of people do it different way. You have people that do it my way. Yep. That's enough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap the fish up, put wrap on, cover it, and leave it for like 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes there before I start with it. So I'm just gonna wrap it and lift that this up. See a little bit. Carry that over. Use my knife and just cut that off. Alright. So this is good. See the people. So we just set that there so, and then we'll come back to that. Okay people, so the fish is ready to prepare. I'm gonna put some oil, not a lot, just a little bit of oil. You know your fish have a lot of oil in it. Yes, so we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna add some of the vegetable in it. Alright people, so I put a little oil in there. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more. You don't need a lot. So you don't want a lot in your steamed fish. And I have some vegetable here. And I have a little more. I'm gonna add as I go along. So first, my hands are clean. I'm gonna add some garlic. You can put like 2 or 3 of the garlic. Make it burn a little in the oil. Yep. So in your steamed fish you can use pumpkin or carrot, but I don't like that in mine. Some people add that in there. You can if you want. Put my onions in there. And I'm going to add some coconut milk, you'll see as I go along. With some cock soup. But then you can put fish noodle in there too. Some people do that, but I like the cock soup to give it a nice flavor. Yep. You know, your stove too high. And I'm going to add some scallion, American call it green onion, and some pimento in there. So a little pimento, not a lot. Like 5 to 4 seeds in there. And I have some Scotch bonnet pepper. Not how spicy you want it. You put that amount of pepper in there. People, not a lot of oil. Some thyme. I always leave my sweet pepper behind, but the time I add it inside this time, everything. Now some tomato. Put your tomato in there. Go and lift that in there, sir. Go and fry up a little. So now I'm going to add my okra in. See the people. Some coconut milk, not a lot. Yep. I'm gonna put my coconut milk in. Use half cup of this, majority cup. Yep. Put that in. People. Want everything out, so need some water. Wash this out. Nice, and you can add your water to it. Some water to it. See the people. Then I have my seasoning. Yeah, I put some seasoning salt in there because I never put none on the fish, but you can put it on the fish. And also in this one I season the fish. I'm gonna add just a little bit. And I look, I'm gonna put some cock soup in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit more water in there. Like half cup more water. Put our cock soup, people. Yeah. See, pat the people are bubble up and so. Smell good. Up on that. Yeah, you. Just a little bit more water. I'm gonna add in on that. Nice. So you just use nut. If you use coconut, the thin one, don't use all of that. You can just use like, you know, half of it or a little over half. Coconut powder, you just use half of it. Not a lot. You just want it to flavor it. If you have a whole coconut, you know, when you juice it, just use like a cup. Get the people. Then I have my cock soup over here, so I don't want the noodles in it. You can put the noodles in it if you want. I use a strainer, just strain it off. And just let this noodle go in there. I just take it out with my hand. Because I don't want the noodle in it. So that is good enough for me. So that's good. So I'm going to take them out. Put a bubble and so. That smells good. So I'm going to add the noodle in. Noodle powder, I should say. Why I know I say it already, but this smells good. You should have there to smell this, you know. Yeah. So that. Nice, bad. Some fish. I have the fish here. And then put them in. Pull this off. Pata bubble and stuff. Bubble, pata bubble. See the people. Nice. Alright, this one. Put some of the seasoning upon it. Yeah. Set that one in. Lay it there. And so. Let me get a spoon. Fish bubble. So the liquid can go on top. So this is the perfect spoon. people. Look at this one. Fish easy to cook, guys. Yeah, steam it so. Maybe another 10 minutes. Just check that and so let it cook. It's about 10 minutes or so. Or a little over that. Sweet pepper. There you. And you'll cover that. Cover our pot. I'm going to simmer, then I'm going to turn it down. Lovely. And check on the fish. Turn it. Nice. Another one here. Sweet the people. I'm gonna add my butter for a little extra flavor in, you know. On that. Nice. You know, I stayed the melt already up the top. So yeah, go steer. So I'll add a little bit more of the sauce on it. So yeah. People, you know, want a whole heap of water in your fish when you're steaming. No. You cover it. Things steam. You just add the water pan. You see your sauce pan top. Yeah. Hook up on this one. And so. Lovely. See the people. Cover down that. So guys, I'm gonna add up my crackers, my water crackers and add that. Just there. Yeah. Inside for about 2 minutes. So like so. Nice and so. Well, one more on this because we love crackers in a nice steamed fish. Cover that.
A few moments later.
I got my steamed fish all done. And it tastes lovely. I taste it. Look at that, guys. Let me turn it off. Lovely. Yes, people, tell me what you think. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Look on that steamed fish and okra, sir. With some crackers on the side. What nice, sir. Yeah, you. Talk to me, my people. Talk to me. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.